Check this out, Milwaukee's released a brand new version, upgrading their M18 Fuel QUIK-LOK outdoor power head. It drives all of Milwaukee's QUIK-LOK outdoor accessories for just about every application you can think of. From line trimmer to edger, broom, cultivator and blower, they just lock together in a second and you're away. And because you can just as easily break it down for storage and transport, you've got a lightweight, powerful system that you can use just about anywhere. Compared to the previous model, they've improved the power delivery, the efficiency and the cooling, especially when paired with the new M18FOPH2 batteries, leading to better run times and overall better performance. In fact, when I was using it with the scissors out at my place, made very short work with some pretty large weeds. Probably the most noticeable change on the outside is that 3-speed mode selector, where the previous model only had 2. That gives you greater versatility with all those QUIK-LOK attachments. It also means you've got a top speed 8,680 RPM. Now on top of those nice, very comfy grips, you've got a safety switch up on top there with a variable speed trigger. And it does hit max speed almost instantly. But best of all, you've got a powerful, compact system without the fumes, the noise, the pull start, or the maintenance that you've got with a petrol-powered equivalent. And it's available at your local Sydney Tools store right now. Make sure you check it out in the Milwaukee aisle, where I'm standing right now. And you can also get it over at our website. If you've got any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.